Hi Rani, what are you doing now? I am finishing my school's home task. What is the subject? I am finishing the English home task. Okay, others conversations. Hi Rita, open your book and look at the blackboards. I understand to these instructions. Please follow it. I am listening about it. Okay, bring your copy. Please look it. There are some mistakes. Please correct it. Yes, ma'am. Others conversations. Hi, Raja. Why are you not attending this class? For a long time, I could not attend in this class for a long time because I was not staying in my leave. I went to the village for the book fairs, so I could not attend in this class. Others conversations. Hi Rita, why are you late in my English class? I could not reach in this class for a time because I have stuck for the traffic jams. So I am trying also to reach here a time for the next test. Yes, keeping to his mind. Others conversations. Why, Rani, are you think that apples is very benefited results for our health? I am thinking that apple is very important for our health because it gives us as a result of giving the doctors, it gives us proteins, minerals, vitamins, energies, and others. Thank you. Why are you thinking, Raja, that the juices have been buying from the markets available is not healthy for our? I am thinking that the products of the packaged juices have been buying from the markets is not helpful for our because it is not originals productions and the chemicals added it. It is just opinions to all. Thank you.